Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use DocuSign. So this is a basic tutorial on how to use DocuSign. You just have to go to DocuSign and then add your email address right here if you have an account already. If you don't have yet, create one and then agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on continue, add your first name, last name, and then phone number. Now you have to make sure that you have valid or working email address too. Paste the code that they have sent to your email address and also add the code that they have sent to your phone. So make sure that your email address and your phone are both working. Enter the code and then after that you can now set your password here on your DocuSign. So you can't proceed without your email and without your phone number. Once done, then feel free to use the DocuSign, but it is also strongly suggest to avail from any of their plan. So to set up, you can just basically look for the category right here. And then answer this. Why did you sign up? You can select from any of the choices below and then tap on next. You can invite your team, just add their email address, your name, their role. And if you want to add more teams, just tap on add another and then add their email address. So to start, you can tap on send an envelope. Click this one right here. And then you can proceed with the following, such as adding their email address, adding subject, body message, and then frequent reminders like this one. So all you have to do is to upload that document from your device. Make sure that the document is in PDF or Word and it's ready to use here in DocuSign. Now you can add here the name, you can add messages, the subject once it's ready to add something. So for example, you want to add the subject right here, just add and then also the message and then feel free to change the frequency of reminders and then after that they can tap on the next button, but make sure that everything is complete here, that you have filled in all the information needed, because if it's not, then you can proceed with your DocuSign right here. So make sure that you have added the file, you have added recipients, you have added a message, and so on. Okay, so basically that's it. Now if you are using or if you're availing one of their paid plans, then you can have the access to their templates. So you can just select one of their templates, but since we're just using it for free, then we can just select the basic version. So once you're done with this, then just tap on next. You can review and this is what it looks like. So suppose that this is an envelope. All you have to do now is go to the left side and you can see your fields, signature, stamp, name, and so on. So if you want to add that, just click and then drag it to any of the place here on your paper or on the document. Upload your stamp, your logo, or your signature or whatever you have here on your device and then place it right here. So once you click this one, you just have to upload the stamp. Once you tap on signature, you just have to upload a signature or create your own signature. So basically that's it. So feel free to use from any of their fields right here and then place it to your document. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And again, you can choose from their given initials. You can also draw if you want. So if you tap on draw right here, you can draw your signature. But it strongly suggests that if you have saved your signature here on your device, you just have to upload that and then upload the signature from your device. Once done, then all you have to do is to proceed and your signature will be visible on your document. Now, if you want to create your own template, just tap on create a template right here so that next time it would be easier for you to edit. For example, if you're using the same template and all you have to do is to change the name or the initials of the recipients, then you can just create your template right here. Okay, so add the message and then add recipients if you want. And then after that, just proceed. Now, here's the thing, if you want to just upload a document right here and then sign a signature, just tap on sign a document and then upload the document right here from desktop, Dropbox, or Google Drive, OneDrive, everything is up to you. Once done, tap on sign, and this is what it looks like. So it's the same thing, just go on to the left side and you will see here the fields. If you want to add signature, just click the signature and then place it to the document. For example, if you want to place it right here, just place it, and then if you will be the one to add the signature right here, just click and then add your signature. And so basically, that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to create an account and then feel free to use from any of their tools and fields. So this is what it looks like. Then all you have to do now is to tap on finish, and then you can send it back or you can send it to someone else. That's how easy it is to use DocuSign. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.